Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a couple of dolls. These dolls are really special. They actually sing. There's two different ones here, and I believe they're from the movie Wicked. Now we do have a special guest with us today, and she's going to help us show us how the doll works and talk about some of the features about the doll. Would you please tell us about these dolls, please?
Yeah. Okay, so this doll's name is Elphaba, and her color skin tone's like green, and her eye color I believe is also green, and like her head moves back and forth and up and down.
Yeah, and I actually like her. I like her hair.
Yeah, I think they like.
Her hair is very different.
Or something.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah. Let's see the camera look at it.
It also has a little bit of a hint of some like brown too.
Yeah, I like that, and her face is very, very cool. You can see that this face is beautiful.
Yep, and this is how her arms move.
Oh, her arms move. Yep. Yep.
And this is how her legs move.
Okay, that's good. Yep. But they have a special feature. Let's look at the other one now. Her name is what again?
Elphaba.
Okay, and this name is this one?
Glinda.
Glinda. Now they were in the movie Wicked, right?
Yep.
Okay, so these were in the movie Wicked. Now this has beautiful, like a blonde hair.
Can I see her?
Yeah.
I want to fix her.
Yep. Okay. Yep. And her hair is beautiful, right? And her dress is absolutely beautiful as well. It's
these are pink high heels that kind of match her color of her dress.
Yep. Her pink high heels. And again, the arms all move, right? Everything moves back and forth, right?
It moves just. Oh, sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so they have a special thing. They have a special magic power. What do?
They sing.
They sing, and we can demonstrate. Let's demonstrate. Which one do you want to demonstrate first?
Elphaba.
Unfortunately, we can't play the music because there is copyright restrictions, but this one does play Defying Gravity. That's what this one plays, and the other one sings Popular. So those are the two songs it does play. There's two different parts. It does one version and then does a second version. So this is how they work. Unfortunately, we can't hear them live because it will not be played, but I want you to just hear, I want you to understand what they do play. To play two different songs, and they're absolutely really, really fun. The kids are going to love these. They're fantastic. What do you think so far? I think they're fantastic.
Oh, so much interaction. Well, I want to thank you so much for being our special guest today and talking about these really beautiful dolls. Thank you so much. And don't forget to follow the channel, and don't forget to
subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Thanks for watching.
Bye.